In this video, we are going to learn a Python program to convert temperature in Celsius from Fahrenheit. So the objective is we would enter temperature in Fahrenheit, and then the expected is the output is shown in Celsius. So first step is to find the equation, and the second step is to identify the inputs required for the equation, and then third step is to calculate the Celsius, and finally we are going to show it. So first let us find the equation. So temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. So if the Fahrenheit is 77, for example, then the expectation is the output is shown in Celsius. So currently we can look at the Fahrenheit. Now let's do the program. The first step is write the code. To convert temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius. What is going to be the input? Input is temperature in Fahrenheit. Next is the output or the equation. What is the equation? Equation is given a temperature from Fahrenheit. The example is the Fahrenheit minus 32 multiplied by 5 by 9 equal to the degree, and finally the output is going to be temperature in Celsius. It's Celsius. Input example, if we enter temperature in Fahrenheit, in 77 for example, then the output expectation would be temperature in Celsius equal to 25 degree. Let us write the program. So first is temperature in Fahrenheit equal to input enter temperature in Fahrenheit. Once we get the temperature, this needs to be converted into float because we are expecting fraction as an input. Then we are going to convert into Celsius temperature in Celsius equal to Then we have the equation. So first we are going to get the temperature minus 32 multiply by 5 by 9, and this is the output that we are going to print it. Temperature in Celsius equal to, copy paste into variable. For we have to also show what is the Fahrenheit for comparison, and we complete by ending with double quote. And now we run the program. So if we are entering 77, then the output we can see it is 25 degree. So here we can see we can write a program which is to convert from one value to another. Here temperature from Fahrenheit to Celsius.